Hey, what's up everyone? It's been a while since my last upload, but I'm back now. I just kind of want to give an update and show what my case is currently looking like, and then we'll get into our races for today. So our last video we had the Corvette Stingray and the Pontiac GTO as our first and second placeholders, but we have new comers that took their spots respectively. We've got the faster than ever Cadillac V16 concept, and then we have the side splitter funny car. So those are our new first and second place cars, and this is to round out the top 12. Nothing much changed there. And then kind of just an overview of all the cars that have taken me hours and hours on end, days to get right. So that's how we are currently looking. There's our I believe this is 144 spots, so there is place 144. Okay, all the cars here are uncarded and weights were entered into my notebook. Before we get started with the first race for today, I wanted to show you guys this small collection that I have here. These were gathered over a couple of toy shows that I've been to recently. So here we have quite a few lines of Faster Than Ever, and then a few hot ones as well. And then just a couple of random ones. Got some funny cars, Ferraris here, and yeah, very expensive but cool collection here. So very excited for this group. I have no doubt that a lot of them will be in the top of this display. Alright, so we're going to do the same format. 6 groups of 6. Winner of each group will face each other in the finals, and then whoever wins 2 races will be determined the winner. So here are the first 6 that we have lined up. Alright, starting off race number 1. 3, 2, 1, go! The recycling truck in lane 2 takes that first one. Alright, lane swapped. 3, 2, 1, go! Lane 5, that is 16 Angels taking the second race. Alright, lane swapped. Recycling truck and 16 Angels in lanes 4 and 6 have the advantage. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, we had a wipeout, small wipeout. I saw the truck here come off the track just a bit, so we'll be fair about it and put it back up and redo it. Alright, all 6 lined up, ready to go. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, that is lane 4. This is why we wanted to make it fair. Recycling truck takes the win with 2 overall victories. Here is the next 6 up. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, lane 5. That is the Chrysler Pronto. Was not expecting that from this little guy. Alright, cool. There's the Chrysler there in lane 6 with the advantage. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that was not even that close. That's a Splittin Image there in lane 1 with the victory. Okay, another lane swap. Lanes 1 and 2 already have victories under their belt, so this should be an interesting race here. Both of them side by side like that. 3, 2, 1, go! That was close. Lanes 1 and 2. But Splittin Image just edging out the Pronto there, so this will be moving on. Here is the third race for today. Here's a close-up of the competitors. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go! Close, very close between 1 and 2. Ambulance just edged out the Chevy Stocker here, so that was close. After the lane swap. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so there you have it. Chevy Stocker taking one for itself. That one wasn't as close, but still pretty close between the ambulance and the Stocker there. Straight down the middle, lanes 3 and 4 with the advantage. On your marks, get set, go! Lane 2. All right. That is the 24/7 with the victory there in lane 2. That's 3 cars with a win apiece. Another lane swap. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, Stocker taking that one. Ambulance was really slow to get off the gate like that. It might have been the lever, but you know, who knows. Nonetheless, Stocker with the victory there. Going off the rails. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, so 2 things I learned. MX48 Turbo is very fast. Street Beast, very slow. Yeah, wheels aren't the best on this one. Here they are after the lane swap. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, lane 2 continues the streak. Semi-fast, taking the victory there. Straight down the middle again. Both cars with a victory each. On your marks, get set, go! Alright, semi-fast. Lane 3 taking the victory there. Here is the second to last group for the day. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, lanes 2, 4, and 6. These 3 here were out in front of everyone. Lane 2 is the GT03. Here they are after the lane swap. 3, 2, 1, go! Lane 5, that is the BMW Roadster. Taking that one. Lanes 4 and 6 both have a victory each. Let's see who takes this one. 3, 2, 1, go! Lane 2. That is the Lotus Elise 340R. Okay, lanes 1, 3, and 5, each with a victory of their own. So whichever lane wins will be moving on. 3, 2, 1, go! That is lane 1, the BMW Roadster. Here they are, last group for the day before we move on to the finals. Which one of these 6 will be joining these 5? 3, 2, 1, go! Very close. All of them pretty fast. That's the Ferrari Testarossa in lane 1 taking the first victory. Here they are after the lane swap. Ferrari Testarossa in lane 2 with the advantage. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, alright, Testarossa with the clean sweep. He will be moving on. Here we are, guys, and the finals. close-up of all the vehicles. Let's see who takes it for the day. 3, 2, 1, go! Solid group. Not one really stood out, you know. It was a pretty close race all the way around, but Testarossa continuing that winning streak with the first dub. Okay, race number 2. All vehicles have been lane swapped. There's the Testarossa there in lane 6 with the advantage. 3, 2, 1, go! Jeez. Testarossa, the clean sweep once again. Alright guys, that being said, Testarossa is your winner for today, and we'll be going up against the McLaren 720S. So what I'll do is I'll race the Testarossa against the McLaren, and then just to make the video shorter, I'll skip majority of the races, and then I'll show you guys where it eventually ends up in this case, and then I'll do the same for the other 5 if they make it at all. So here we go with the first one. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah, Testarossa definitely deserves to be in the case. Here is the lane swap. For one-on-one battles, I like to do 2 wins in a row, so another victory on the Testarossa will be officially in the case. 3, 2, 1, go! There it is. Not that close. Okay, so there's the Testarossa. I will continue along the line here, but we have to do something with this. This car has to be put in with all the other losers. Goodbye, old friend. Okay, we are currently in this spot here. I am recording this one specifically because this is currently where my fastest Testarossa is at now. So, Challenger there in lane 5, Testarossa there in lane 2. Actually, I have 2 more Testarossas. There's a white one and another black one with the gold laced wheels. So, looking forward to opening those 2 as well. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Close, very close. But the red Testarossa just edging that one out. Here they are after the lane swap. 3, 2, 1, go! That one not as close. Okay, I will continue down the line with the red Testarossa. Alright everyone, our winner for today, Ferrari Testarossa, lands right here between the Nissan Z Faster Than Ever and this T-Bird Stocker. So eventually I'm going to have to shift all these by 1 just to fit them in there. But yeah, here it is. This is spot number 50. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Have an awesome day. Till next time.